Are you among those that don't get attracted to good people? You don't get, people find it difficult to do things for you. Even your husband, your boyfriend, they find it difficult to spend on you. And it's not like you don't have, they have it, but they just stingy towards you. You go around from morning till night, you will be working, nobody will say hello, hi, how are you? Oh my goodness. Or you've been in a party, in a gathering, other people get to be noticed and nobody notice you, nobody even know that you are there, and you keep asking yourself, who did I offend? Today I am going to show you the recipe that will put an end to that. You only attract people that you are better than. You have come across rich people and none of them is able to help you. When you go to people for help, they keep turning you down. You go for job opportunities, but you to look like you are wearing garments of hatred. Today I will show you a solution that will solve that. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian Ike, and on this channel I talk about skincare tips, natural health remedy tips, and sex and relationship tips. So if you are interested in any of these topics, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Your love, your support is wonderful. I appreciate you all. God bless you. This is the point where I get to ask you to please kindly give this video a thumb up, because that's what will make YouTube to push my video for more views, support my work, and as you do so, God bless you. Thank you all. Today I am going to show you the recipe that will get you attracted to people, that will make you become center of attraction, that will make people to spend on you, and not just anyhow people, that you will be seeing favor left and right. And after watching this, you will thank the day you come across this channel. So all you just need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, so you don't get to miss any important aspects of this information, because every information here matters a lot. All right, now let's get started. I'll be using almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you can go for coconut oil or any oil that is good for your skin. You can use any oil that is good for your skin. The next thing you will be needing is nutmeg seed, the normal cooking nutmeg seed. That is the next thing we'll be needing. So the next thing I will do is to grate my nutmeg seed. Here is my nutmeg seed. Pour my nutmeg seed into the almond oil. So the next thing is alligator pepper. I need only 7. I need 7 seeds of alligator pepper. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll pour it into here, into my almond and nutmeg seed. So we have everything in here. Speak to it, say what you want into it. After that, just use it to be applying on your skin. After applying your normal cream, you just take it and apply on your skin. Okay, this is so effective. It looks simple, but it's very, very effective, and you are good to go. Try this and you will thank me. If you find this video interesting, click the like button, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to see more videos when I post new video. Thank you guys for watching.